Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft. This is Sadhana here, and before we go into this recipe today, I would like to thank you all for supporting me in my journey. Let's go and see what's the recipe today.
Carrot, beetroot and peanuts salad which we are going to make. Watch the video till the end friends, and I will be coming with more salads like this. So let's go into our recipe now. For the salad recipe, the ingredients are very simple. I've taken a red carrot here. You can also take an orange carrot and grate it. And I've taken one medium size beetroot and I have grated it. Okay, and one handful of groundnut which I've taken. I soaked it for half an hour and I have steamed it. Not boiling, steamed it. Okay, and half a lemon. Little pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, you can use whatever salt you're using at home. And half a teaspoon of pepper powder I have taken. It's very simple to do, but just before eating you have to do this. Do not make the salad, leave it, then eat after some time. For the simple reason it will lose a lot of water, and also the color of the beetroot will come into the carrot. Okay, so what we will do is we'll just take some carrot here. I'm going to take some beetroot. Groundnut as per your wish. You can take more, less. Also I've taken salt. You can take salt as per your wish or as per your flavor. And I've taken pepper here. Pepper I've taken half a teaspoon of pepper. Then I've taken lemon. This is very yummy salad. Try it. So we'll give it a nice mix here. See how simple it is, and the salad is ready. You can also use some coriander if you have. Right now I don't have coriander. I'm not using it. Otherwise you can use some coriander and some little mint leaves also if you have, whatever is available. So let's remove this in a serving bowl. Our salad is ready now. To have. Please try the salad, and I'll be coming like this with more salads and healthy dishes also. Thank you for watching.